Good morning, Dr. Guru. How are you doing today?
Yeah, thanks, Yamini. Thanks for the great introduction. I'm doing great. How are you doing?
I'm doing absolutely fine, sir. It's a pleasure to have you with us. So, without further ado, I would like to ask you about what sentiment analysis exactly is and how is it relevant today?
Sure. So I see, first of all, sentiment analysis as a technique to determine the emotional tone behind a piece of text, audio, image, or a video, or even an emoticon. So it involves analyzing data to identify whether the expressed sentiment is positive, negative, or neutral. So sentiment analysis, they provide valuable insights, enabling enterprises to make data-driven decisions by understanding customer sentiments, thereby enhancing their products and services. So typically nowadays, sentiment analysis solutions have become significant in today's world with a lot of commercial applications.
So, Dr. Guru, which areas of business operations do you think will be impacted by sentiment analysis?
By understanding such a contextualized sentiment, companies can develop effective marketing strategies to launch new products or make informed business decisions. So once they have launched a product, post a campaign or a product launch, gauging public response aids in optimizing their marketing strategies, tracking the marketing campaign effectiveness, and making necessary adjustments in real time. These things are possible when you have an accurate sentiment analysis. So, and one more thing, what I can think of is by deriving sentiment trends from news articles and financial reports, social media and other social media discussion, the market sentiments of a stocks, like market sentiments are derived and it just correlates with the stock market movements, and they further predict what can happen in the stock market movement. So this information is valuable for traders and investors in the who are and the financial institutions as well.
We are excited to know about the latest developments taking place under your guidance. We'd like you to elaborate on that.
Inspirus has come up with a sentiment analysis solution. It's named Sociomentis. It's equipped with descriptive, predictive, and prescriptive capabilities. So these are aimed at addressing the needs of a customer-conscious enterprise. So having said that, Sociomentis is based on understanding the expressions and opinions available in social media. It generates, sentiment signals from the noise. It also comes up with slicing and dicing options of time, demography, and business attributes. So with this, one can analyze not only the positive and negative trends, sentiments of the product or the service, but also you can compare that with your own competitors. So with which you can position yourself, and you can also tag and categorize each message to your own choice of business attribute and see how that being perceived in the customer's mindset. So that will be taken care of by AI algorithms. So further, they can also be drilled down by using slicing and dicing options for time, demography. This is a typical customer segmentation, I would say, in terms of sentiments. So like you can also go for a churn level prediction. Interesting, right?
So, Dr. Guru, we are a little curious to understand the unique differentiators of your sentiment analysis tool in comparison to existing solutions in the market.
As I said earlier, Sociomentis is built for addressing the needs of a customer conscious enterprise. So the solution gets deeper into the context based sentiments by calculating the aspects or attributes which have a critical impact on the business outcome of an enterprise. Having said that, other differentiating features includes a combination of this trend analysis, multi-aspect modeling, multi-source sentiment analysis aimed for unified sources of truth, and giving a flexibility of domain to product level comparison with competitors, and region level localizing of sentiment analysis, and giving a proper and accurate prediction and prescriptive solutions. All these analytic features are available in a user-friendly platform, and along with the slicing dicing combinations, and also with the responsive visualizations. Registered user can create multiple use cases where with the choice of digital media to be sourced, and also the choice of competitors. So a typical use case starts with the choice of product, competitor, hashtags and keywords, and the region, and the duration of the business use case where you want to analyze. So once the use case is set, Sociomentis religiously collects data, cleans it, and performs the necessary pre-processing steps to remove noise and any other privacy information to make the data ready for analysis. Indigenously built artificial intelligence algorithms derive and forecast the sentiments. They've also mapped the messages to the business aspects and make them ready for visualization. Results can be visualized graphically with less slicing and dicing and options available. Also, there is a downloadable option for predictive and prescriptive analytics results. Sounds interesting, right?
Considering the sensitive nature of customer privacy that you just mentioned, we'd like to know what measures have been taken by a sentiment analytics tool to ensure the safety and security of the shared data.
Yeah, Yamini. Privacy is of prime concern to us. We have our own ethics and AI policy, privacy policies. So we strictly adhere to the international standards of data privacy, including GDPR. So we deploy differential privacy methods where the prediction outcome does not affect any individual.
Now that our privacy is assured, I can comfortably ask you to provide a brief overview of the technology stack used in your product.
Sociomentis has been built on the shoulders of Flutter, Python, and MongoDB in an agile delivery model with continuous integration and continuous deployment. While the Flutter package has been used for responsive visualizations in the front end, natural language processing and artificial intelligence enabled predictive and prescriptive solutions have been built on Python in the backend.
I'm sure developing a solution like Sociomentis requires unwavering dedication of time and energy. Could you please tell us how swiftly were you able to get Sociomentis up and running?
Sociomentis was developed in 6 months' time, pretty short, and it's ready to hit the market now. We have a young, talented, dedicated, and enthusiastic team of programmers, testers, UX designers, data scientists, and DevOps engineers who made this solution a working and running reality. A couple of processed patent applications are in the pipeline for Sociomentis. Please watch out for the updates on Innsprez's media handles. We have started reaching out to interested customers across the globe. Please visit isl.sociomentis.io and sociomentis.io for further information and updates.
I must say, that's an incredible job done by your enthusiastic team. Thank you, Dr. Guru, for taking the time to enlighten us about this amazing sentiment analytics tool, which holds great value in today's competitive market. Thank you so much for sharing this valuable information.
Thank you, Yamini and Vinod. On behalf of Team Sociomentis, I thank you very much. Good luck.